These are the compact cordless drill drivers in the Bosch Dynamic series, the GSR 14.4 VLI Professional and the GSR 18 VLI Professional. They offer unbeatable battery runtime, which makes them ideal for when you have to drive a lot of screws. With its head length of only 185 millimeters, the GSR 18 VLI Professional sits perfectly in your hand. And it's very powerful thanks to its high-performance motor. The Bosch flexible power system allows for two different battery sizes to be used in order to adapt the runtime and weight to suit the task in hand. The compact batteries weigh even less and are ideal for overhead applications in combination with the compact design and the low weight of the tool. The newly developed two-speed planetary gearbox offers you a versatile range of applications, regardless of whether you want to drive screws or drill holes. Experience for yourself the shortest 14.4 and 18-volt endurance runners, the GSR 14.4 VLI Professional and the even more powerful GSR 18 VLI Professional. Now available in the practical, unique L-Box.